FM Yakhrai Group submitted a memorandum to the All India Radio Director on Friday with 6-point demands, including relaunching of the FM channel and extension of Khorang program time.
For the last 10 years, Salkama program was operated for 1 hour every day, but the Salkama program stopped suddenly. After that, the Salkama program was conducted only 2 days a week for half an hour. So in order to bring back the program of Salkama like earlier days, including relaunching of the FM channel and extension of Khorang program time, FM Yakhrai Group submitted a memorandum to the All India Radio Director with 6-point demands on Friday.
Chini All India Radio Center ni beskango kisa khadumani kunungan bai phale jau ka thangnai busung khale ka waisa chini o FM Yakhrai bodon ka sing thangnai prai 10 বছর sekango chini FM program sengmani oro kesang abno khanalai phungni salburum burum na 6 ta ni singa panda chengo garo topic based phuning alochonango aro sing kabangma topic ti ko salai Chini borong bising kaisa awareness ni tongmani inka abo thanai June mas ni 6 tariko abo mothagi rejaka kunu saimi abo hotat koinai mothagi rejaka inka chini khananai belai ke baka hamyang jaba ke abo khanai tongnai rok belai khanai khaba salai tongmani sisalai tongmani hamjaglai tongmani khananai bangruk suta bangruk ni tongmani abono hotat koi mothagi rejaka inka sing abono khadumani buskang thanayo busung salaika aipun abuni kuno karjo kori tab khano sing nugia abono rubini sing tini tewaisa or phaleka sing koyo sini borom gunang montri Khorang sini oroni montri Yakhrai bagnon sing sini yakjur play koyo sino galai hamjakmani jonopriyo অনুষ্ঠান Salkama panda abono agini jorawono sonoro piting sing abo galai ke sini bororok ani bukhaw galai dukho nanglai tonglayo Please,
Surajit Devarma, member of FM Yakhrai Group, expressed hope that after the deputation, the problems would be resolved quickly as per the wish of the Tripura people of the state. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.